And there it is, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now, I know I said I wasn't going to get one of these, but I changed my mind. Everyone wanted to see content on one of these, and I figured I'd be losing out if I wasn't making videos about what everyone is interested in. So I got one anyway to test out. So this is the drone, new gimbal cover style, kind of like the Mavic 4 Pro that goes over the whole front of the drone. Looks like we have some little pieces of cardboard and foam here in the drone that we can pull out so that the gimbal can move around. Actually, really interesting style of gimbal with little supports here on the bottom and on the top, and then a really free to rotate gimbal in here. Kind of cool design. RCN2, I just got this because it was cheaper and I already have a couple RC2s. I definitely prefer the RC2 though. Here we have our 2 extra batteries from the Fly More combo. If I am not mistaken, you can actually parallel charge 2 of these batteries at the same time, which means it takes half as much time to get your batteries charged. And apparently you can also use your Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro batteries in the Mini 5 Pro. And then here we have our great little accessories box. Let's see what is in here. Here are some props. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 props. And one cool thing on the Mini 5 Pro is that these props are actually quick release props, which means that you can just push down on them and take them off, just like on the Air series or the Mavic series, rather than having to use screws to attach and detach the props. Just a lot handier. And then next we have a USB-C cable. This cannot be missing from any tech product. And then we have a USB-C to Lightning cable for the remote. And then underneath we have something that I am so excited for on the Mavic 4 Pro. These are ND filters. It has been a long time since DJI has given us actual ND filters bundled in the basic kit with one of their drones. This is just way overdue to make a comeback. When you're paying over $1,000 for the Fly More combo of a drone, it should come with ND filters. So here we have ND filters. There are only 3 of them, which are ND 8, 32, and 128. I would have actually maybe preferred to have the top one be a 64 instead of a 128, but hey, at least we're getting ND filters. And then underneath that, we have some papers. Looks like there is a DJI decal and some random manuals in English and Chinese and every other language that I will not read. And then down in the bottom of our box, we have a piece of cardboard that won't come out. So it appears that that is what is inside the Mini 5 Pro. As you can see, this is quite a large case. And it's actually a little bit too large for everything that is supposed to fit in it. If we stick our Mini 5 Pro in here, and our batteries in right here, and our remote controller in, and our ND filters, and we still have a lot of space. So I assume that they're making it so you can maybe put goggles in here or something. I don't know, I wish this case was smaller because that's the main thing about the minis is that they're small. So a big case kind of defeats that, but you can put this in a Mini 3 or Mini 4 case if you have one of those. And finally, what everyone wants to know is the Mini 5 Pro under 249 grams. Let's put it on a scale and see. This is the drone with the standard sub 250 gram battery in it, no SD card. Let's see how much it weighs. And there we are, right at 250 grams. Yeah, make what you will of that. I don't know exactly how accurate this scale is, but so yeah, pretty cool drone. It looks cool, has LiDAR sensors on the front, has the full obstacle avoidance, has this crazy 1-inch sensor on it. Can't wait to see what the image quality out of this is like. I'm going to be making a bunch more videos on this drone. You can click right here to watch one of those. And if you want to get the most cinematic shots with your Mini 5 Pro, I put all of my best cinematic settings for the Mini 5 Pro into a PDF checklist that you can download to reference while you're out shooting. And I'm giving it away completely free. Link to that will be down in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more like it. We'll see you in the next one.